Hello everyone, and now I will explain code of this um, study hub dashboard. Um, there we can um, write our subject's name, then progress, then he will it will appear in this section your subjects. Let's there you can sort by name. Mm, Sort by name, also sort by progress, um, from big amount to little amount. Then you can also choose dark mode or under light mode. Then you can reset progress, all of this to 0. Let's go to the our this script. And the program starts by creating a variable called subjects. Then it tries to load data from the browsers using local storage. Then if there is no saved data, it falls back to an empty array. This means the app remembers subjects even after page reload. Then connecting HTML elements with this get element by ID, and there is name of IDs, and we call them with this tag. Then this is variable for editing. A variable edit index is created and set to null. It stores which subject is currently being edited. This helps update the correct item later. And then save function. The save function stores the subject's array in local storage, and it converts the array into a string using JSON stringify. This ensures data persistence. Then render function. The render function is updates everything on the screen, and step by step inside the center. First creates previous content, clears, and then loops through each subjects and for using for each, and for every subject creates a card and adds a title and adds progress text. Then bar, inner bar, and outer container, and sets width dynamically bar style width, and the sub progress plus percentage. Then we append it with append child, and const edit document we opens model, and the fields inputs with current data, stores index in edit index. Then delete button remove subject from array using splice, saves and re-renders, and appends everything to the page. This appends title, percent, progress, edit, and the delete button. Then function adding a new subject. checks if input is empty, stops if true, adds a new object, name, subject input value, and the progress number, progress input value or 0. Clears inputs and saves data, re-renders the UI. Then button event for adding, the add button listen for a click event. Then if we will click the enter button on our laptop, it will be work. It will work if we don't click the add button. And also press and character counter every time the user types in the subject input, and the counter updates, helps limit the text length. And clear all subjects. When clicking clear all, the array is reset and saves empty data and re-renders UI. Then sorting subjects and progress, two sorting options: by name, sorts alphabetically, and by progress, sorts from highest to lowest. Then editing subject. When clicking edit, model window appears and inputs are filled with current values. When clicking save, updates the selected subject. And we click the close closes model and saves data and render the UI. And display none is used to close the model. Then initial render. This display saves subjects immediately when the page loads. Then theme toggle. If dark mode adds dark class to body, changes button text, and on button click, toggles dark mode, saves preference, and updates button text. Then reset progress. Loops through all subjects and sets progress to 0, and saves and updates UI. Finally, that's it. This app demonstrates the working with local storage and the dynamic DOM manipulation and the event handling, arrays, and the objects UI updates in real time. That's it. Thank you for your